chance to walk around downtown Orlando the other day with my Fujifilm X100V. And I started out with a little self-portrait. It was trying to rain, and I was kind of looking forward to seeing if I could get some kind of moody Tuesday afternoon shots. So I headed over to one of my favorite locations. Managed to catch this red pickup truck against the white wall. Kind of like the colors. Of course, I love the colors on this camera. And then as the drizzle began, I walked over to the intersection here and enjoyed this guy with the umbrella. I kind of like that he's contrasted by the lady walking across the street. Then, in an attempt to shoot literally from the hip, I grabbed this one. I love the juxtaposition of the hand and the sign, the social. And moving on, the sky was just incredible in the light, so I grabbed this one real quick. And then I tried another shot from the hip, and I really like this one. I love the reflection of the building and the glass, and the way the guy's kind of looking as if he's mimicking the reflections in the glass. Then as the rain continued to get a little bit harder, I caught this young lady crossing Orange Avenue at Central with her shoes matching the red light. The next thing that caught my eye was this young man with his blue umbrella, sitting there under the protection of his umbrella, just enjoying the rain. And then as this young lady with the pink umbrella walks by, the look on his face I thought was really cool. It was almost like umbrella envy. Next is this guy with the yellow umbrella, which is the signature of the downtown Orlando logo, and I like the way it contrasted the comedy club sign. Now onto the cigar bar, which was eerily vacant. Normally it's quite busy, but the lack of customers gave me a great opportunity to catch these beautiful chairs all lined up with no place to go, watching the rain, just like me. This one ended up being my favorite of the day. The meshwork kind of mimicked the rain, with this young man being protected by it, being sheltered from the rain as he enjoyed his coffee, seemingly waiting for a business associate or perhaps a lover, delayed by the weather. I thought this one was quite interesting, with the window trying to hold its own against the big modern bank building, which is sort of the signature of downtown Orlando. Then, of course, I'm a sucker for signs, and the coffee sign really caught my eye. I waited for some people to walk by, but this was about the best I could get. So, of course, I did a little black and white treatment on it, just because I thought it was so cool. And then offsetting the chairs from the cigar bar, these two lonely fellows waiting for someone to adorn them with their backsides, just sitting there in the rain. And the last shot of my little walk was this one, trying to get some motion blur of the car, hoping to complement the wings of the building in the foreground. Maybe someday it might fly over the building behind it and surprise the world. If that happens, I just hope I'm there to capture it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little photo walk essay, and I hope it encourages you to get out there with your camera and go exploring too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.